Welcome to JVZoo tutorials, and in this video I'm going to find you how you can find any user on the JVZoo platform, see the products that they've got available to promote, and go ahead and actually make contact with them if you need to, and also promote any of their previous products. So let's say you've promoted a product by a particular vendor, you've seen a particular vendor and you want to see all of the products that they have available. Well, to find a vendor in JVZoo is incredibly easy. You come over here to the left hand side, click the Tools tab and click User Search. Now here you can search by their name, ID, their email address, business name, so whatever information you have, but most likely you're going to have the name. So let's say we know that this guy is called Ifiok, and let's go ahead and search for him, for example. So we're going to go ahead and put his name in here, and then we go ahead and click the search button. Okay, so here's the one that first comes up, so Ifiok Enkem, which is the guy that we're looking for, and we can go ahead and click on his name to see more information. Now this is his public profile. We've obviously got a picture here, information about his company, how long he's actually been on the JVZoo platform, so he's been here since 2015, number of sales as a seller. So he's a top 1% seller with over 40,500 sales, average 3 out of 5 stars based on 357 reviews. As an affiliate, he's a top 1% affiliate, 13,000 plus affiliate sales with an 8.48% refund rate. You can see here all of the endorsements, and indeed if you wish to endorse him, you can do so. Scrolling on down below and you will see all of his products that you're able to promote. So obviously in this example there's lots of products here, so we can scroll down. Okay, so let's say we like the look of this one, Video Tours 360, create and sell interactive virtual tours. Okay, great, let's request approval. We click on that on the right hand side, and then we go ahead enter in our message and go ahead and request approval. Now if you want more information about finding great products and how to actually get approved for them, there'll be a separate video about that down below. But here we're going to see the JV page, so we can go and get our email swipes, we can go get videos, we can find out more information about the product so that we can correctly promote that to our audience. And again, we can go ahead and get approved, or we can simply go back and take a look at other products. You'll also see up here there is links out to his Facebook profile and also Skype. So you can simply click on these and go ahead and actually connect with the vendor, so you can actually talk to them, introduce yourself, explain how you're going to be able to promote their product if you're brand new here at JVZoo, and also they'll be able to help you out if you have any questions about their products. So just like that, you're able to search for any user, you're able to find their socials, their Facebook or their Skype to be contacted. You're able to apply for any of their products that they previously promoted. And it's as easy and as simple as that to find great products, find more information about the users, the people behind them, and to get help and support if you need.